Hello everyone and thank you for tuning in. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog, and today I'm testing out and reviewing the Roborock Qrevo Curv robot vacuum and mop system. Be sure to check out my full written review on Best Buy blog for even more details and impressions. You'll find it linked in the video description below. And just a friendly reminder, you can purchase the Roborock Qrevo Curv today via bestbuy.ca. If you're looking for backup with household chores, the Roborock Qrevo Curv feels like it was designed for busy, real-world homes. In my case, between a small pet that sheds constantly and a family that somehow leaves crumbs everywhere, my floors rarely stay clean for long. After living with the Qrevo Curv day to day for well over a month, this is one of those robot vacuums that doesn't just clean, it genuinely reduces the mental load of keeping up with your chores and keeping the mess at home, under control, and at bay. It's powerful, smart, and surprisingly hands-off in comparison to other robot vacuums that I've used in the past. But first, let's just take a quick step back and talk about my first out-of-the-box impressions of the Qrevo Curv. And everything immediately feels quite premium even as you're taking it out of the box. The robot itself is sleek, but the real star is the dock itself. This isn't just a glorified charger. Sure, it does that too, and quite efficiently, I might add, but it's also a full maintenance hub that empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, refills the water in order for the Unit 2 mop back into the vacuum unit itself, and it even cleans itself as well too. It's pretty remarkable. The only part of it that you really have to do is just make sure that the fluids are topped up manually from the proprietary cleaning agent, as well as, of course, putting in some water. Setup through the Roborock app as well was fast and painless. Using its LiDAR navigation, it mapped out my main floor in about 10 minutes and my second floor in roughly 5. But the map accuracy was excellent, and it handled stairwells and tricky areas without issue. The headline feature here is the suction power, and the Roborock delivers in a big way. The suction power is excellent, and the Qrevo Curv had no trouble lifting debris from carpets or pulling fine dust from hard floor seams. In daily use, that power translates to fewer missed spots and far fewer follow-up passes. Whether it was dry bits of cereal, pet hair, dirt, or tracked-in grit, it handled everything extremely well and transitioned smoothly between floor types. As a pet owner, my favorite feature is the Duo Divide main brush. After multiple full cleaning cycles, there was almost no hair tangled around the roller, which is quite rare. Hair is guided straight into the dustbin instead of wrapping itself into a mess, making this a true set-it-and-forget-it system. Corner cleaning is another standout. The flexi-arm arc side brush automatically extends to reach edges and baseboards, pulling debris out of corners instead of pushing it around. In areas like my kitchen and entryway, the difference was immediately noticeable. The Qrevo Curv can vacuum and mop in the same run using dual spinning mop pads with adjustable water levels. What really makes this work is how smart the mop is, and it can lift automatically when it detects carpet and lowers again on hard floors. That means no soak rugs, no skipped rooms, and no babysitting. Floors consistently looked cleaner, and I didn't need to split cleaning into separate sessions. Now, I recommend, along with the manufacturer, giving the floor at least 2 passes with the vacuum and then mopping, but in a pinch, if you wanted to just hybrid both of them, you could. Overall, it's an incredibly impressive system, and it's vacuuming and mopping done right. The Roborock Qrevo Curv also has many bright spots on its software side, featuring smart navigation and app features that really make it stand out in its class. It features AI object recognition, multiple cameras and light sensors so that it can avoid things like shoes, pet toys, and everyday obstacles with ease. Here are my final thoughts on the Roborock Qrevo Curv. Between a small pet, a messy family, and a packed schedule, the Qrevo Curv has become my ideal robotic cleaning companion. It's powerful, intelligent, and refreshingly low maintenance. That concludes my review of the Roborock Qrevo Curv. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. And once again, a friendly reminder, the Roborock Qrevo Curv is available now, and you can order it today via bestbuy.ca.